Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the following issue in any software, which is mss.dll missing. So here we go. All you have to do is search for the DLL file which was missing. Simply type its name and click search, and there you can see in the first side the file is available. So download it from any site. Simply just download the file according to your operating system, 32-bit or 64-bit. Once downloaded, you can extract it in the folder where you want the file or where it was missing, and now run your program. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.